Cracking the code, using which as an object pronoun. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today, we'll be delving deep into the world of relative clauses, focusing specifically on which as an object pronoun. This is a vital component in our journey to mastering intermediate grammar. So, buckle up and let's get started. Before we jump into our main topic, let's quickly refresh our understanding of relative clauses. Relative clauses are types of clauses that allow us to provide additional information about something without starting another sentence. These clauses are usually introduced by a relative pronoun like who, which, or that. For example, consider the sentence, I have a book that I love. Here, that I love is the relative clause giving us more information about the book. An object pronoun is a type of pronoun that is used as the object of the verb or preposition. Examples of object pronouns include me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them, and indeed, which. When we're talking about relative clauses, which is used to refer to things, not people. For example, I can't find the keys which I put here. In this sentence, which is the object pronoun referring back to keys. Now, let's focus on our main topic today, using which as an object pronoun in relative clauses. In relative clauses, which can be used as the object of the verb in the clause. This means it's the thing that the action, the verb, is happening to. Consider the sentence, do you see the car which I'm pointing at? In this case, which is used as an object pronoun referring back to car, and is the object of the verb, pointing. Importantly, when which is the object of the relative clause, it can often be left out in informal English. So, our previous sentence could also be, do you see the car I am pointing at? The meaning remains the same. Great job sticking with us till the end. Remember, mastering the use of which as an object pronoun in relative clauses will allow you to construct more fluid and natural sentences. It might be a bit tricky at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. Keep practicing, and you'll be an expert in no time. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and as always, happy English learning.